Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm back with another tutorial video of how you can change board cover in Pinterest. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Pinterest application. And once you open it, you'll be appear with the home page of Pinterest, and on the bottom right corner you can see the little profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Now in here it shows you different boards. For example, you can see the folder that I have created on outfits I like. You can just go ahead and long press on that folder. You can see the pencil or the pen icon. Go ahead and tap on it and it will show you edit option. Tap on it again. Now in here you can see board cover and there is the plus icon given. Go ahead and tap on it. Now select which you want to use. For instance, I would like to select this or add this. Now you can just adjust it how you want. Once it's done, click it on done. Now once you do that, your board cover will be changed. So that's all guys. This is how it is, simple and easy. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.